In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Word document to Google Drive. Whether you're transferring important documents or just want a backup in the cloud, knowing how to upload files to Google Drive can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Google account and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com, which will take you to the Google Drive homepage. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account credentials to access your Drive. Once you're in, you'll see the Google Drive interface where all your files and folders are displayed. Now, to upload your Word document, look for the New button. It's usually located on the upper left side of the screen. This button is key to uploading new items to your Drive, so go ahead and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options, allowing you to create new folders, documents, or upload files. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says File Upload. Clicking on File Upload will open up a File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to navigate through your local files. This is where you need to locate the Word document you wish to upload. Browse through your folders, find the document, select it, and then click on Open. Once you've done that, your file will start uploading to Google Drive. You'll see a progress bar in the lower right corner of your screen showing the upload status. The speed of the upload will depend on the file size and your internet connection speed, so be patient if it takes a moment. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your Word document appear in the main area of the Google Drive interface. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded your Word document to Google Drive. From here, you can click on the file to open it, share it with others, or organize it into folders as needed. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to upload a Word document to Google Drive. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to revisit this video for guidance. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of storing and accessing your documents in Google Drive.